Welcome to DFix, your channel for practical Excel tutorials tailored for real workplace needs. Today, we're diving into an incredibly powerful feature in Excel's pivot table, the calculated fields. Imagine having large data sets with sales, costs, and other metrics, and you need instant insights like total sales, profit, or commissions. The pivot table, combined with calculated fields, lets you automate these calculations in seconds, saving time and improving accuracy. Watch closely as we demonstrate the steps to unlock the potential of your data with calculated fields. Step-by-step procedure for creating calculated fields in a pivot table. Select the data. Place your cursor anywhere inside your data table. 2. Go to the Insert tab. Click on Pivot Table. In the window that appears, ensure the correct data range is selected. Check New Worksheet and click OK. 3. A blank pivot table layout will appear on the new worksheet. In the Pivot Table Fields pane, check Salesman. The names of all salesmen will now appear under row labels. Let's now explore how to create a calculated field and see just how powerful and useful it is. Start by placing your cursor anywhere within the Row Labels section of the pivot table. Next, go to the Analyze tab, then click on Fields, Items and Sets, and select Calculated Field from the drop-down menu. A new window will appear. In the name box, type Sales. Then, in the Formula box after the equal sign, select Quantity from the available fields. Add a multiplication sign and then select Selling Rate from the fields. Once done, click OK. Watch how instantly the total sales are calculated for each salesperson in the pivot table. It's quick, efficient, and saves you from manual calculations. Now, let's calculate the cost of sales using a calculated field. In the name box, type Cost of Sales. Then, in the Formula box, begin with an equal sign. Select Quantity from the field list, add a multiplication sign, and then select Cost. Once you've entered the formula, click OK. And just like that, the cost of sales is instantly calculated for each salesperson, quick and efficient. Now let's calculate the profit using a calculated field. Click on Calculated Field. In the name box, type Profit. Next, in the formula box, start with an equal sign. Select Sales from the field list, add a minus sign, and then select Cost of Sales. Once done, click OK. Instantly, the profit for each salesperson is calculated, accurate and ready to analyze. Finally, let's calculate 5% commission on the profit for each salesperson as an example. Once again, go to Calculated Field. In the Name box, type Commission. In the Formula box, start with an equal sign, then type 5%, followed by a multiplication sign. Next, select Profit from the field list. Click OK, and just like that, the commission for each salesperson is instantly calculated and displayed. Simple, quick, and incredibly effective. Use this tip to streamline your data analysis and make better business decisions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to DFix. Stay tuned for more practical Excel tips.